Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO C65 and let me show you how to check serial number assigned to this device. First of all, open your phone dealer. Then enter a secret code which is *#06#. And here at the bottom of the list you will notice serial number. Tap on OK to exit, and then you can also find it via settings. So first of all, open the settings, select About Phone, click on Detailed Info and Specification, and now select Model. Okay, so at first Status and then Model in another panel. So here it is active, as you can see. Just click here and now you can read your serial number. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.